Hi, kindergarten. You are going to click on this link right here, and this says click the link to tell me what the weather is today. So I'm going to click on it, and it's going to take me over to this form. And it says, hello, kindergarten. I hope you have a very good day. What is the weather today? Click on one of the pictures below. So if you notice that each picture has a little bubble next to it that's telling me, oh, what is the weather today? So look out your window. Is it sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy, or partly cloudy? And click on what you see out your window today. What is the weather? And once you click what it is, you'll hit your option and you'll hit down here submit, and it will send it over to me so I'll see what you chose for our weather today. And it depends on what's happening outside your window. Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it both sunny and cloudy like it was yesterday? So again, click on the link. It will take you over to the form and you'll pick your option and hit submit to send it to me. Very fun. All right, thank you.